All right, guys, new intro in 3, 2, 1. What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be doing a unboxing and product review of some parts I got for the Corvette. As you guys know, I'm going to be doing a stall and gears coming up here soon, so I'm just kind of gathering up some little odds and ends that I want to do at the same time while the car is already apart. So we're going to go over this. I'm super excited about these, and I'm hoping they work out really well, which I think they will. So we're going to get this opened up and kind of go over what they are, what they do, and why I'm doing them. All right, guys, so like I said, you got a lot of you know, if you've been following the channel, that I'm going to be doing a stall and gears coming up in the next couple weeks. While I have the torque tube and everything out, I figured it'd be super simple to get these in. The car with the mileage is about due for it and starting to get some engine vibration and stuff. I just want to eliminate it. So I ordered these. They are made by a company called Creative Steel. And they are the C5 and C6 solid engine mounts. So anything from 97 to 2013. I'll get these cut open here. I did a lot of research into solid mounts for these cars, and these are what I believe are the best on the market for a couple reasons. All right, so here they are, the Creative Steel. These are the Creative Steel Ultra mounts. They are solid aluminum, no bushings, no nothing. But the reason I decided to go with these is the threaded rod going through these is one continuous piece. So a lot of these solid mounts, they are just basically a metal spacer that you run a bolt through, which makes it kind of a pain to install because you have to not only line up with your subframe, you have to line up with the motor mount and then the wing coming off the engine block. These install just like the factory mounts, and with this being threaded all the way through the mount itself, it makes it to where in order for this to break, you have to stretch this bolt, which is going to be next to impossible. Now, with that, these mounts aren't for everyone. I do not daily the car. It's more of a weekend toy. These are going to transfer a bunch, all I guess you could say, of engine vibrations are going to get transferred straight to the chassis. That also means that you're not going to have torquing issues on your motor mount, on like the factory style motor mounts. They do, however, make a polyurethane motor mount that is a step above and beyond the factory motor mount if you're needing upgrades or replacement. But yeah, no, first unboxing, initial impression, super easy to deal with. They're going to install like factory motor mounts. I believe these do lower the engine like 3/8 of an inch, so you get a little more cowl clearance and stuff for you guys that have like the fast intakes and whatnot. But definitely something, if you have a C5, you should look into, is upgrading the motor mounts. It makes it to where instead of having that torque actually torque up your engine, just transfers it back. These are going to be working in correlation with a couple other parts that I'm going to be doing some videos, but 10 out of 10, you guys need to look into these.